What's up, bros? What's up, bros? Did you miss me? I'm still here. The bike's still here. We're still here in Texas. But I am moving. That's right. Moving. And I'm going to tell you all about why in this video. So, been in Texas now for about 7 years. There's a lot I love about Texas, but Texas is really different than where I'm from, where I've lived in the past. Let me first start with the things we really love about Texas. We love that it's warm year-round. We love that the climate is good politically. We love that things are affordable. The dollar goes really far here in Texas. What do we not love? 2 straight months over 100-degree weather every single day. We don't like that. What else? We don't like that it's flat. At least in the part of Texas we live in. Miles around, it's just flat. So we don't like that. And then we don't really have any family here. We need to be close to family. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pack up and we're gonna move. And that means bikes, kids, dogs, and I guess wife also, yes, will come. And this is gonna happen really fast. So we're moving it all, folks. We're moving it all. I'm not sure if I'll get even any last rides in with people until I go. You know, that could be a real bummer. Might not even get to see some of my local homies. But it's a new day ahead, folks. New day ahead, and it's a little bit of a waste because I gotta get the bike, I gotta get the safety inspection done on the bike. She's safe, she's running well, so I'm gonna get the safety inspection. I'm gonna get tires on the bike, do some other stuff before we get out of town. And it's highly possible the next video you guys see will be a little ways out, but it will be in the new location. Oh, girl. And the new location is amazing for riding. Amazing for riding. But I will miss one thing, and that's the Houston riding scene. It's a different kind of riding, given there's no hills, not many twisties. You know, the freeways is a unique part about riding in Houston. So, if you live here, you know. One time I hit one of these little plastic thingies. Those things are bruisers. They will mess things up. So anyway, yeah, I'll miss the riding scene. I'll miss a lot of my favorite riders. If I don't get to see it before I leave, love y'all. notice the time on the bike is never accurate. Why are you gonna do a whole bunch of wild stuff on a bike and then timestamp it? So always set your time different, boys. You know how far off it is. Well, I'm leaving. That's about all there is to say about that. Yep, we're leaving, boys. It is time to clear the area.